For this new tutorial, we're creating a New Year's Eve party design, and I'm starting with a stock template that's already selected. First, let's work on the heading. I wanted to say, "Cheers to the New Year." For fonts, I'm using Chonburi and Citadel. Honestly, that combination just works really well together. Next, let's move on to the rest of the text. I'm going to organize all of the text by aligning everything to the left. Let's play around with the current illustrations we have here. I'm just moving things around. We might not keep this, but let's see. I decided to delete these gold details. Okay, back to our sparkly glass. Let's try it one more time. I don't think it's going to work, but I really like it. Well, you know what? It has to go. Maybe next time. Now that our illustration and text are ready, I'm going to change the background color to a rich dark red. For the text, I'll use a very light cream color so everything pops nicely. That looks good. As always, I'll do one final check. Making sure everything is aligned, spacing looks right, and the design feels finished. And just like that, we're ready to download our design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick design tips you can use in your shop. See you in the next one.